searching fire. Some search upon the mountain, but Jah still whisper to every heart that chooses love. Listen, the voice of Jah never fades. Morning breeze through bamboo sing. Every leaf praise Jah the King. River flowing crystal clear. Carry wisdom to every ear. Me no hear him through fear alone. Me hear him when me heart come home. In the silence calm and deep, Jah still watch while children sleep. Sunrise paint the eastern sky. Every dawn asks mankind why. Will you choose the path of light or chase shadows through the night? The voice of Jah calling softly every day. The voice of Jah show the humble heart the way. Walk in mercy, stand in truth. Keep the fire of your youth. The voice of Jah still calling you. Every mountain standing still. Teach me patience, teach me will. Ocean wave kiss every shore. Remind me love can heal once more. Babylon shout loud and proud. Truth no need a noisy crowd. Still small whisper reach my soul, helping broken hearts grow whole. When me stumble, when me fall, just still answer when me call. Not with anger, not with shame, but with everlasting grace. Hear me now. Close your eyes, quiet your thoughts, listen beyond the noise. Sometimes the loudest answer comes in the deepest silence. Every child with honest smile walk with Jah each little mile. Every elder full of grace carry light in every face. Judge no soul by wealth or fame. Every heart can bear his flame. Mercy stronger than revenge. Love can every life transform. The voice of Jah echo through creation song. The voice of Jah guide the weak and make them strong. One blood, one heart, one love, never part. The voice of Jah forever near. Thank you for walking this journey with us. Until we meet again, walk in love, stand in truth, keep the faith, and let your light shine.